Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that we'll need to open our settings. So first go to the home button. Right here is the red button on your pilot, and right now I need to enter the pin because I've set up the pin for my television, so let me just do that. You might not be needed to do that. So now go up, find settings, and from here go to the right and go for installation. Press OK, and from here scroll down and press on the first time installation. Now, do you want to delete all channels and settings for the first time installations? Your recordings will be preserved. So that means that everything will be deleted from our television, but only our recordings. So if you recorded any program or anything on your TV, it should remain on this device. So now let's press yes, and we'll begin the installation. Okay, so here we are in the setup menu, and we can first choose the language. So I'm just gonna pick English. And here, do you want to change accessibility settings? Yes, I want. You can change the high contrast setting or magnification if you want. I'm not gonna do that, so let's just go for the next. You can do anything else here, however you want. So let's go for the next step. Choose your country region. It won't change the language, but just bound you to some region. So I'm just gonna pick the Poland, and from here you can change the home or store mode. If you plan on using it in your house, I would recommend using home mode. If you're setting it up for the store, you can enable store mode. So let's go for the home mode, and from here you can change the natural picture mode. Consumes less power and it has less carbon footprint. We recommend using natural picture mode. You can change it to normal, natural or dynamic. So let me go with dynamic. Yes. You can accept to any of these policies. You can read them as well if you want. So let's just accept to all and press accept. Then go to the next step after highlighting it in black like that. You can connect to the network internet if you want. You can do it wirelessly or via wired device. So I'm not gonna do that right now. You can of course choose one that you want to connect and then simply connect. Now let's move to the next step, and here you can change the broadcast type. So I'm not gonna use any of it. You can of course change it to your favorite network type, the aerial, cable, analog or none, and then change the aerial, the cable or analog. I'm not gonna do any of this, and let's just move to the next step. And from here the TV will set up and it's ready. We can use the menu. You can add any channels or just use it however you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.